Welcome to James Maths Academy. In today's class, I'm going to discuss what the meaning of a function. Okay, I'm also going to dive into little in depth on what the fundamental concept of what a function. So when we talk about function, we are simply mean what a mathematical machine that take x value and output y value in a one-on-one correspondence. If you have f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, this is a classical example of what of a function. Okay, that simply means that this is our y value and this is also our x value. So it can also be written this f of x can also be written as y. Okay, so in our basic class, we also ascribe y to be this function. Okay, so rather than writing this y, rather than just writing this, let's writing y is equal to 3x plus 5. Because we are talking of functions, we're going to say f of x is equal to what 3x plus 5. So they are basically the same thing. Okay, so in every element of any input of x, you get a particular what one value of what of y, and that is what we mean by what by function. Okay, so let me dive into more concepts of what it means. Let me clean the side. So assume we have, let me draw this. Let's assume this is our machine. Just I just pardon me, I don't know how to draw very well. Let's assume this are x, and let's assume this are y value, which is also known as what f of x, right? So this is our output, and this is our what? This is our input. Okay. So a classical example of a function is what is a linear function, and a linear function can be written in this form. Y, just as I already said, plus 5 is an example of what linear function. Okay, and any function that of this form, that is y is equal to mx plus c, is what is a linear function. Okay, so let's draw our table to get the outputs of this function. Let's say these are x and these are our f of x, and I told you our f of x is what is y. So if you have -1, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. You want to actually get the f of x. So you say our f of x, which is -1, in this context is equal to what 3 bracket -1 plus what plus 5. Definitely we're going to have -3. We have -3 plus 5. -3 plus 5, you have what? You have 2. The same thing applies to this when this one is 0. You're going to have 3. 0 plus 5 is equal to what? This is 0. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is equal to what? 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. When 1 is plugged into the function, you have 3 bracket 1 plus 5 is equal to what? 3 plus 5, which is what? 8. When 2 is plugged in, when 2 is plugged in, we have 3 brackets 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 11. Finally, when 3 is plugged in, we have 3 this 3 plus 5. So 3 times 3 is what? 9. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, basically we have 14. Okay, so it's simply the one input, which is the s value. You're going to have what one output, which is what our y value. Okay, so these are basic concepts of what of function. Okay, whereby a particular input is inputted into the machine, and we are expecting to have what y value, which is only one variable, which is only one number. Okay, so if you have something like this, let me assume you have y square is equal to 4. Can we say this is a function? No, this is not a function, because in this particular context, we're going to have two values. So in this context, we're going to have our s equal to, let's say, root 4. Root 4 is saying you're writing plus minus 2. So you're going to have two values. So plus negative and positive value of this number. So, and in your function say only one output is what is expected. So this is not a function, but this is a classical example of what, of a function. Okay. So in this video, we are able to exploit function, also know the basic concept of a function. Okay, whereby a particular, in every value of x, one value of y is what is expected. So this is basic concept of what, fraction. As time goes on, I'm going to give you more examples and many examples on fraction and how the beauty of function is in mathematics. So for more informative content, don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel, James Maths Academy. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.